Hi, in this video, I want to discuss the employee, which is actually the most important table of all, since the employees or the human beings that you are managing in a human resources management system like HR Tech are stored. Now, to go to the employee, all you have to do is go to HRM and then employee. So here it will list all the employees that were already entered in the system. Okay, so for example, uh, I will say I will search for any employee. So from here you can put any keyword that you know. For example, I put here Ivana. Then when I click search, so it will search for the keyword Ivana. So it can be last name, first name, position, and so on. Okay, let me go back to the list. Okay, so to add a new employee, all you have to do is to click this add new record. And then here, you put here the name of the employee. For example, Hannah Ye Sol. Just an example, a Korean name. Then here you put here the suffix, whether senior, junior. Then here you can actually upload the photo. Now the timing of the uploading of photo can be during creation of the employee, or even after creation of the employee, or even after a few days. Doesn't matter. Okay, it depends on when the picture is ready. So in our case, it's ready now, so I will upload the photo. So the photo is actually here. Okay, so automatically it will be displayed on the screen. You put here the contact information, let's say email, say hannah at gmail.com. Then put here the mobile number, then the address, city, zip code. Then here you put here the birth date. Let's say birth date is she was born on 1998 June 10, for example. Put here the gender, of course female. Then here status, let's say single. So if the employee is married, you put here the spouse name and the spouse employer. And then the contact information, you put here the name of the person, relationship to the employee, the mobile number, and address. Then here, the job related. So put here the job title. Let's say she's a sales executive. Put here when she was hired. Let's say she was hired on July 8th. Okay. Of course, there's no separation date yet. So this is the date when the employee leave the company. Then here, employment status, whether it's probationary or regular. Let's say probationary. Schedule. So I have a separate video regarding schedule, by the way. So, but basically, this is the shift that is being followed by the employee in order to work. Okay. Then here, department. Let's say sales, work group, sales, branch. Let's say Cubao, region, national capital region. So region has something to do with the minimum wage salary. Okay, so that's also important. Here you put the payroll frequency, let's say semi-monthly or weekly. So this is the how frequent the employee is being paid, or how frequent the payroll is being generated. Then here you put here the rate type, whether it's daily or monthly. So when I discuss the payroll, I will dig deeper regarding this rate type. But basically, this is actually a basis in calculating the basic pay of the employee, whether it's fixed monthly or on a daily basis. That means based on the number of days the employees go to work. Then put here the payroll group, which is actually a way of grouping the employees in one go. So in one process, they will be processed together, one payroll group. Then here you put the SSS number, where You can use the SSS number for any SSS related transaction, like generating the R3 or doing the premium and so on. Of course, the TIN number or the tax identification number, the PhilHealth number, and also the Pag-ibig number. Then here you put the bank where she can withdraw her salary, and then here the account number, then here the fixed monthly tax. So basically this is being used in calculating the tax. So if you put here any value, so that value will be the monthly tax of the employee. That means you don't need to go to the withholding tax table. So when I discuss payroll, I will dig deeper regarding this tax calculation. Then here you specify whether the employee is minimum wage earner or tax exempted. So in our case, it's a minimum wage earner. And then let me go back to the personal here. So you put here any comment that you can say about the employee. Let's say referred by Miss Cathy. So yeah, and then you say she is pretty Korean actress. Okay, so anything that you can say about the employee, you can put it here. Okay, so once all these data are entered, you can click. By the way, we need to put the employee code. Let's say employee code is 00049. Okay, and then save. So once you save the employee, it will actually generate the user ID for this employee automatically. So when we go to the configuration user, this is the user that was automatically generated. So I have a separate video regarding user. So if you want to know more about user, just watch that video. And that's it. That's how easy it is to enter new employee in HR Tech. So if you have any question, just put it on the comments below. And thanks for watching. Bye for now.